Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Vaishnavi Singh you're watching right now. And I want to tell you that I'm not a teacher here, okay? I'm just a learner like you all and sharing my experiences and tips that I have applied, and I have seen a huge improvement in my lifestyle and English spoken as well. So in my last video we talked about discipline, how much discipline is important in your life. Discipline really plays a important role, and you cannot achieve, I'm not saying that you cannot achieve, but this is important thing necessary. If you are disciplined enough, you are going to get something in life for sure. Because something, yeah, I have some line in my mind, but I can't say because that is in other language, so I am going to say all these things in English only. Okay, so today I want to talk about what the changes you can make in your routine. If you are overthinker, a person, if you are overthinking, if you want to improve something in your lifestyle, if you are really struggling, you're anxious, you're in hurry all the time, you want things to get done early, you're impatient. So all those things, because these things used to happen with me a lot, and I have gone through those things, and I have sailed it. Like I have come a far way from all those things. So what was the things that I have done? First of all, if you are waking up early, try to wake up around 6 7, and it's not necessary, but whenever you are waking up, don't use your phone after a 1 hour. Till 1 hour, don't use your phone. Phone can be really distracting. Phone can be really depressing, because you are going to see other people over there. They are doing great in life, and you are not doing anything. You will be thinking like that only. And from that depressed mind, you won't be able to do those things that you really want to do, you are really excited about, and you are not going to get excited at all. You will be depressed, and looking at scrolling on phone not going to help you, trust me. And same thing goes with your nighttime routine. Before going to sleep, before 1 hour, just shut down your phone, have a good walk, because that connects you with the reality. Because phones is not reality. Actually, I am telling you, and this might sound incorrect, wrong to you, but phone is not a reality. Reality is this, that I'm sitting right now and looking at the sky, just looking real people walking around me, and not in phone. I'm not living in phone. So what you do is you live in phone only. And I'm saying this, that phone people in phone are not real, because there is a reason. What is looking in the phone, how much happy things looks in the phone, are not actually how much happening things look in a phone, are not actually happening when you are actually living it. So you are getting jealous, you are getting a insecure about that people are having so much fun, look at them, but actually they are not having that much fun that you're thinking. Okay, so it's just in your mind. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you a proof. Just record yourself having fun, laughing, and doing things, even if you are not enjoying, and then upload it over your social medias, WhatsApp and Instagram, wherever you want to do, and check. Like people will see, oh my god, this person is having so much fun alone at home. This person doesn't need anyone, you know. And even when you look at yourself in the phone, you will get so happy. Oh, I'm looking so nice, I'm looking happy. So this thing phone does to you. I don't believe in phone you can use it in a right way. You can connect with your close people, and you can have a conversation. You can, but don't get so insecure and like people are getting so much. Actually, they are not. Actually, you don't know what they are going through in their lives. Okay, you have no idea what they have been going through a lot. They are not telling you the problems of their lives on social media. They are just showing their happy timings. Even you have your happy timings, but you are not sharing for some reasons, maybe. But so cherish your happy timings and don't just get so much into social media life. So I'm not saying disconnect from social media all completely. Don't disconnect yourself, but before going to bed, 1 hour before going to bed, cut off your phone, social media, everything, and phone things. And after waking up, just don't use phone after till 1 hour. You can have a walk. You can just read newspaper. You can just chill, doing anything you want to do. Okay, the phone thing we have cut down. Now, second thing is you can do, if you are able to, you can do meditation after waking up. Are you able to? Only for 5 minutes, you chanting, Om chanting really helps. It does. So I am telling you, after watching this video, put a timer in your phone for 5 minutes, 4 5 minutes, and close your eyes, cross legs, sit, and do the Om chanting for 5 minutes. Om. This thing. This is scientifically proven, I guess, that this really helps to improve your thinking power, to improve how you think, how you look at things. Your perspective changes and calms your mind. And with a calm mind, you can do those things that you really want to do. Two things we have talked about. And third thing I want you to do, that decide only one thing for a day. Or should I increase the number? Maybe decide only 3 things for a day. And not big things. A little 3 things. Decide 3 things for a day. You can do it a day before, at night, that I am going to do this. And when you tick those 1, 2, and 3 now, the happiness, the dopamine you will get is going to motivate you to do more things and more things. And you will get happy because I have applied these things and I have seen a huge improvement, trust me. So I want you to grow, I want you to improve as well. I know what you have been going through. You just have to do one thing. Take that step. What you're thinking right now. I am going to motivate you a lot, and I guess I have given you ideas, 2-3 ideas. I'm not going to burden up your mind, but I'm giving you few ideas, and you can just follow those ideas. And trust me, you are going to get something. The Om chanting you can do after finishing this video. And if you don't see any result, don't continue to do that. Don't do that in your entire life. Because this is a really has proved. This is proven. So that's also one thing you can do. And yeah, 3 work I have told you. You can decide a day before at night. And you can also, if you are really worried and tangled up in your mind, that perplexed, that what should I do, these things, you are really tangled up. Do one thing. Keep a paper. Yeah, journaling I'm talking about. Keep a paper, a diary, and start writing those things. You just keep on writing until you get a free mind, a calm mind, and a sorted mind. the sorted life. You are really tangled up that what I am going to get in life, will I be able to get it or not, what what should I do things to achieve this, what should I mean, so much tangled up. I used to be like that, and I used to write things a lot. So write, make a routine of writing a night before sleeping. You can write for 5 or 10 minutes, whatever it is in your mind. Or if you are in a whole day only, also, if you are so tangled up, if you are so anxious and you don't have any idea what is going on, you are so overthinking a lot, you can just write down things. The time you're out writing down starts the time you start writing down things, you will start getting ideas. Your mind will become so calm, and trust me, you are going to see the results. And you may have seen these things that I have shared with you, that so many places, but now you will have to take action. You may have seen a lot of videos regarding these things, the suggestions, these things works, I have told you. But what you have to do is start taking actions. So now I'm telling you, just uh, this video is going to get over now. So go and take a pen and paper and start writing down what you want to do in life, what you want to achieve in life, and those two things I have told you. The sleeping time, no phone, you can write down, and meditation, 5 minutes only. 5 minutes are not going to take your whole day. Okay, you can give yourself 5 minutes. Okay, for your health, for your career, you can give those 5 minutes. So 5 minutes at night, 5 minutes in the evening. Sorry, in the morning. And the journaling, if you are really tensed about something, write it down and you will feel relaxed. And if you can have a walk in the morning, because nature, don't you like what looking at the sky? I guess almost everyone likes looking at the sky, the nature, the trees, plants. So you can have that idea of looking at those things. And I guess enough for this video. I've shared things, and this video is for people who really want to achieve in life. And I know you want to achieve, you will achieve. I have that belief in you. Just start doing those things for 21 days only. 21 days, you can give your 21 days for to change your life, for the entire life. Okay, you can give now. So start doing those things. Just go take a pen paper and make a routine and start doing from today. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.